Hey, what's going on, guys? Tasche here, and folks, thank you for coming to check out my special bonus page for Commission Drill. Now, Commission Drill is a 10-minute YouTube ads trick and funnel that's designed to earn you commissions promoting CPA and affiliate offers. Now, on this page, you're going to see a large collection of bonuses that I'm giving you when you take action now and you grab your copy of Commission Drill through my link. Now, right below this video, you're also going to see a few things. You're going to see a countdown timer, and that timer is going to tell you how long the bonuses are good for. So when that timer hits 0, the bonus will be gone. And also, when the timer hits 0, it means the product is either going to be taken off the market or the price is going to go way up. So you want to make sure that you grab your copy while the timer is still active to get the best price and to get the bonuses. Okay. Also, you're going to see other links on this page, including a link to my actual full review of the product. So you can go in there, and we're going to go inside the product. We're going to go into the members area, and you learn all about what's included. So with that, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you soon.